Hey friends, Drew here on a beautiful day in Oxford, Pennsylvania with some of my friends here at Timber Falls Mini Golf. We've got Nick and Sarah and Zoe, and we came out today to celebrate a birthday in our family, and we're having a great time. And I just want to make sure you know the cool things that we have going on in Oxford. Tell us a little bit about Timber Falls Mini Golf, what the schedule is for the summer, what's going on?
Okay, yeah, we are open for the 2026 season. We're open currently Fridays 5 to 10, Saturday 10 to 10, Sunday 10 to 8. Come check us out, beautiful weather. Our waterfall and our water canals will be on by the end of the week, hopefully. Check us out here in about a week. We're going to start our glow golf.
Yes.
Our glow golf, we have black lights throughout the course. Our balls are LEDs, our cups are LEDs, right? We have bracelets and LED lights throughout. If you wear
bright
your
shirts.
Yep, I was just going to say, right, wear your bright and your neon. Come on out. That will be Friday, Saturday nights. And what else we have going on?
We have a NeeDoh Promotion going on with all different types of NeeDohs.
So if you're into NeeDohs, if you want the squishy thing going on,
Yep.
this is the place to come and get them.
This is the place to get them. What else we have going on?
Just make sure that you follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We are Timber Falls Mini Golf, Oxford, PA. If you look that up, it will come up.
Yep, we're right off Route 1, right off the Oxford Route 10 exit, and we're excited for a good year. Birthday parties, sponsor events, with schools and church groups and things like that. Please reach out. We can work together. We can do fundraisers, or we can just do large events.
And I know you guys said there's some corporate stuff that you guys do as well.
Yep.
Team building stuff.
Yep, team building. We also have summer camps for kids for elementary school age, right? Team building and trick shot, like miniature golf, and it includes a few different things. So check out our sites for that.
So this is you guys, what, third?
This is our fourth year.
Fourth year going on.
Yep.
Awesome place to come out, spend some time with your family, have a good time, follow their they're really awesome on their Facebook page about keeping up with, hey, what's going on with the weather, or we're closed tonight because of rain or whatever.
Yep.
So check the Facebook, that's got all of their scheduling information, when they're open, and just a great time to come on out with the family. Anything else we got to throw in there?
I don't think so, but again, Facebook, we throw out a lot of, free ice cream today, or come out if it's a rainy day, we'll give you a rainy day special if you're willing to, brave the weather. Christmas in July, Memorial Day, 4th of July, tailgating games, and anything else.
One of the best kept secrets in Oxford. We want to support our local family fun and entertainment, because I don't want to drive 25 minutes to get somewhere to do something fun.
At $4 a gallon.
Right, there you go. Let's come right here to Oxford. Let's have a good time. Timber Falls Mini Golf. We'll catch you guys in the next edition of Forever Home. Bye for now.
Thank you.
Thanks.